Here's a 2024 remake video of the Allen and Roth Valdosta ceiling fan that's installed here in this tent on the back porch of my grandparents' house from my dad's side of the family, but still my grandparents. Because I have two sets of grandparents. But anyways, this fan was installed here in 2021, and even though it's meant to be, installed on a ceiling indoors, they found a way to install it here in this tent. And it still works perfectly. And I'm pretty sure this fan was originally manufactured by Fanimation, because I'm pretty sure Allen and Roth is owned by Fanimation. And this fan was sold at Lowe's. I have to look to see if they still make this one. And it's a really nice little fan. Especially, for just being this tiny cage fan, it's really good, for sure. And especially really good for a Lowe's fan. Anyway, you can turn on by just turning this knob right here. Although I'll have to, hold this. Do that. And there we go. There's the Allen and Roth logo on it. And this fan blows a really good amount of air as well. And maybe I might consider even getting one of these someday as well. Because these cage fans are kind of starting to grow on me a little bit. Alright, here's medium speed now. Oh, there's the flying here right now. Still, definitely good breeze on medium speed as well. It's nice to stand under as well, because you can really feel that air movement. Alright, here's high speed. Here's a view of it from underneath. The fan moves so fast that the video camera makes it look like it's actually going slow and on reverse. Which is something that, all cameras pretty much do. But mine especially. And now we can turn it off and we'll show spin down. Because it's a very short spin down. And yeah, since it's just attached to this chain here, the cage is going to spin around as well. So that does make it harder to turn this knob as well, so that's why I have to hold this. But yeah. I do like this fan, especially despite what this is. I don't like it as much as an average ceiling fan, but it is pretty nice actually. Alright, and actually its spin down's a little bit longer than I thought it was. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching this video and bye.